In this world of competition and power, where human race has forgot the peace and serenity, still the heart of every child desires to be in harmony with nature, where he can flourish to his all possible potential and even beyond. And here we are, Eternal University, in pursuit of permanent peace and spiritual brotherhood. We don't take this mere as a concept, but working on it and developing young minds into blissful high-end professionals. Great saint of his time, Sant Atar Singh Ji prophesied this place long ago as a hub of education amalgamated in moral values. His Harvard-educated disciple, great scholar Sardar Niranjan Singh Ji, later called Sant Teja Singh Ji, took up his master's vision and discovered this Tapobhumi, Baru Sahib, in 1956, surrounded by 7 hills where many sages and seers meditated and stimulated this place as a valley of divine peace. Journey started in 1959 when Sant Ji was in deep meditation in this Gurudwara, Kacha Kotha, in front of Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Future revealed all its stages in front of him, and on that very day he told Baba Iqbal Singh Ji that by the grace of Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji, this place is going to be a great education center of its own kind, a campus where students from tender nursery to scholars doctorate will get value-based education without compromising the modern scientific standards. In 1975, with Sant Teja Singh Ji, the Kalgidhar Trust came up with its shape and started shaping the society in every possible field, whether in the field of women empowerment, social relief and rehabilitation, health, and very important, the education sector. By 1982, Baba Iqbal Singh Ji accomplished his services as Director Agriculture, Himachal Pradesh. With his prudence, he knows that the future of world resides in the hands of today's children, and education can only help the society when it is blended with moral values and spiritual brotherhood. Hence, in 1986, Akal Academy arisen in the society as a first step towards building better world, and by now it has become the flagship of 129 academies, and after getting global accreditation from International Baccalaureate, Akal Academy Baru Sahib took up the status of International World School and taking the mission ahead. Today, by the divine wish and under the guidance of His Holiness Baba Iqbal Singh Ji, we take the legacy forward with this Eternal University with all world-class standards. Eternal University Baru Sahib came up in 2009 for imparting value-based education in arts, science, nursing, engineering and technology, divine and spiritual music, public health and many more. In the lap of Himalayan's downhill valley, Eternal University meets world-class standards in all its multi-facilities with 16 colleges and schools, spread over 8 lakh square feet area in beautiful Divine Valley. When students who are enwrapped in value-based education with international class reminds the model of Nalanda and Takshashila. Our future engineers, nursing professionals, educators, scientists, administrators, managers, teachers, and above all, are good human beings who feels responsibility in creating global village with dedicated human spirit are being nurtured here. Let's see what students of Akal College of Engineering and Technology thinks about this.
Hello everyone, my name is Harsharajit Kaur. Joining here in 2010 was a good start, though I never thought that I'll be at a place far away from home. But as today I think upon it, it was really worth spending those 4 crucial years of my life at Eternal. And being a hosteler transformed me into a better, strong and cooperative person. At Eternal, it's not only the academics and the infrastructure we are good at, but there are other enormous facilities like a rich library, and equipped labs and sports facilities. And above all, ragging is completely banned here, which transforms Eternal into a safe and secure place. As I figured it out, everyone gets a miracle. So here at Eternal was my miracle.
As she told, it's a ragging-free university. Yes, they all live as a family here in this campus. Safe place, especially for girls. This is the reason that students continue their studies towards higher.
As we are talking about the place Badusai, this is known as the Tapohi. They are mainly concerned about the spirituality and the human values. I have came here about 6 years ago to pursue my BTech program, and now I have done my BTech and also doing my MTech from this venue. Actually, with the first step, when I come to this land, I just got that positive vibes and that enthusiasm in my character and in my personality. And talking about the university and the labs and the faculty and the library, they are well maintained and they are up to the mark which you want to a good education. But beside that education, they add some extra features like spirituality and human values, which are more important for you in your further life. And as my experience is, I have a lot of memories here in Badusai. And mainly talking about the conversations with Papa Iqbal Singh Ji, they are one of the best which I had here.
With our beloved Honorable Babaji, this place becomes like a Gurukul, where we all live together, study together, and rise together.
Hello everyone, my name is Shukpreet Kaur and I am BTech final year student. Talking about my time in Eternal University, it was very memorable. Though it's far from home, but students do live here as a family who protect and care for each other. And being an Eternalite is really a very proud moment for me. And being a part of many techno clubs and many life projects, it really helped me to enhance my technical skills. Spiritual and lavish environment here makes learning eternal. And I am very grateful to everyone here for always supporting me and constantly motivating me all these 4 years. At the end, I would like to conclude in one line. Now is the time to live your dreams.
Here in this university, students make their dreams into real and feels proud to be the part of it. Biotech department is growing very fast under the guidance of renowned scientist and present Vice Chancellor Dr. Dhariwal. Government is also funding huge amount for apparatus and research works, equipped labs, wide experimental fields and poly houses makes it unique.
This is Ravinder Singh, pursuing PhD Biotechnology in Akal School of Biotechnology, Eternal University, Badusai. Biotechnology department equipped with high-tech lab facility available for the genetics, microbiology, molecular biology and plant tissue culture. All the faculty members are highly qualified, cooperative and expert in the fields. Researchers associated not only to the labs but also outside to the labs as there are many polyhouses and experimental fields. Besides these, the whole campus is very peaceful, safe and religious. Not only this, but also we are very close to the nature also.
A painter paints pictures on canvas, but musicians paint their pictures on silence. And when it is spiritual, it must be an eternal. Akal College of Divine Music and Spiritualism is keeping and strengthening its roots deep in divine music, which gives a spiritual melody to this valley, harmony to human race, and synthesis to Baru Sahib.
I'm Manpreet of BM Music. I suppose as if I was born with music inside me and my destiny brought me here. And that's the reason I feel always at home, as if this whole world belongs to me.
I feel as if it is a meditation for me and it connects me with divine bliss. This divine melody and my college is a place where I learn so much. Our faculty members are too good and as they teach, we feel proud to be a part of it. It's their effort that now we roam throughout the world and people to recognize us with the ambassadors of divine music.
I'm Kulvinder Kaur, studying in MA from Akal College of Divine Music and Spiritualism. Chanting divine name in Amrit Vela fills us with tremendous energy and then it becomes very easy to practice music. It's a art, it's a devotion that takes me high into blissful state.
These global citizens spreads the message of permanent peace and spiritual brotherhood throughout the world. Here in our B.Ed college, we develop a passion for learning because we believe if it gets rooted, then they will never cease to grow. As education beats all discriminations, they are becoming global. Mother Teresa once told, "It is not how much we do it is how much love we put into the doing." And here, in this serene environment, Akal College of Nursing, along with professionalism, they learn to treat human beings with empathy. Due to various national and international camps, student gets global exposure. They learn a lot from worldwide renowned visiting faculties, their skills and their dedication towards the service of humanity.
Nursing is an art, and if it is made to be an art, it requires an exclusive devotion as hard as preparation. So, Baru Sahib is the place where one can be close to the nature as well as humanity. Akal College of Nursing is the first nursing college in Himachal Pradesh to start BSc Nursing as well as MSc Nursing. The college is equipped with all kinds of labs, library, facilities and the faculty expertise from the various recognized and well-reputed institutions like PGI, AIMS and RA.
Akal College of Nursing provides opportunity for all the students and the professional nurses to meet the world, explore and share global ideas through the international conference every year. Along with this, the students are exposed to new learning and the advanced technology through the various hospital camps as the college has collaboration with the Drexel University, United States of America. All these combined features attracts the many reputed hospitals like Medanta, Max, Columbia Asia to work with the competent nurses produced by Akal College of Nursing.
Honorable Babaji has always been a great support and has spread the concept of holistic nursing, love for humanity, universal brotherhood and harmony worldwide. Every great dream begins with a dreamer. Always remember, You have within you the strength and passion. The passion to reach for stars and to change the world.
So, with this eternal university, let's all, parents and students, join hands together in making highly skilled professionals with moral values and make this world a better place for our future generations.